welcome back, it's Louise. Today I'm going to start doing the design team project for Sani Creates. I have this kit, it's called Beautiful Birds. I'll kind of show you as I'm working through, but I'll be off fingers and thumbs trying to show you. So I've got the Etsy shop up, just to show you the kit. See that? It's 27 pages, and there's background pages, journaling pages, got little cards and tags and envelopes, pockets, all the things you need, circles, little fussy cuts. That's it. You get 7 background pages, 4 A5 prints of the main pages, 8 main journal pages and 8 ephemera pages. And when she sends you your zipped file, you have a link to go in and get A5 prints if you want them from the Dropbox. So that's it. And as usual, it's JPEG sent through a zip file. But I don't think there's any discount on it at the moment, but there might be. If there is, I'll add it in. So what my idea is, I've printed them all double-sided so as I could, I didn't have to coffee dye or stencil or whatever. And on certain settings on my printer, this new printer I've got, it does borderless, but it does cut off a bit of the image, but I'd rather that than have to sit and cut all these millions of pages. There is, you see where I started it and I realised that it was on the wrong setting, but anyway, I'll cut them out. So I've got all them, and in the vein of using things up, hold on, this light's casting a shadow. There we go, it's better. I have this old folder that I've already taken the thing out. It must have taken ages because I knew I was going to use it. So I don't know whether I'm going to keep that as it is and just cut it down to the size I need, or take that off and start afresh, because that's not, I mean, that's wide enough, I suppose. That is quite wide. That's quite a wide space. So how much is that? That must be at least 2. About 2.5. If I flatten it out, it is 2 inches. That's good enough. Right, let me check this page size. Roughly. So if that's a start, so I could just literally, easier said than done, right enough, but let's go for it, see what we can do. So that is page 6. So let's do, alright, that first bit doesn't bend, so if I do it from this one and measure, say 6.5. That way it'll be a bit more accurate rather than just winging it. 6.5. Let's do one at a time in case I can't do it. Let's move this out of the way. having them out because they won't. Actually, they're my fabric scissors, so get rid of them. I've just been cutting a load of lace that I was sent from my nan, so I had to get the fabric scissors out. Right, let's move this into position. Hold on, I need that pencil to mark the line, if I can find it again. There it is. That one, and that one. Ooh. Where are you? There it is. Oh, it's going to be wonky, I reckon. Right, so that's the line. Oh, let's try and turn this around. Oh, the space gets smaller and smaller every time I try to do anything. Right, I'll just have that jabbing me in the ribs. Right, this is probably going to take a few cuts, so hang in there. Right. No. What was that? 5? Right. Same really. I'm just going to leave them there because they'll be good. I'll probably might get covered with paper, so I don't know. Right, so from this one it's 6.5. Just right. And down here. And draw the line, otherwise I will never be able to see it. Need that. Right, let's see if this will go as easy as the other one did. Right. Oh, 4. 5. Whew. Oh, that looks a bit wonky there. Doesn't matter. Right, so now we need the length. That's a good size. Right, so we want it down a bit. Roughly about there, don't we? Don't ask me what that is, but let's do a little line just to give myself a guide, and then I will measure it properly. So it's just about 9. It's kind of big, isn't it? Yeah, that's a bit big. Right, let's go for 8.5. It's going to be too tight. Let's do 1 after the 8.5. Whatever that is. 8 and 8/16. Is that? Seven, 8. Let's do the whole thing because we're going to have to. 7, 8. 8. And 8, 8. So this is where it all goes wrong because my ruler's not long enough. Meaning I'll be cutting it in 2 parts. Oops, don't line this one up. Oh, and it's just near that bit, that bit. See what I mean? Right, so I'll just have to do this in stages. It can be done. You could probably hear my fan because it is bloody roasting. Sorry for the language, but it is. I'll get one down there for the dog and I'll get that one here for me. Everybody's probably got the same thing, but it's blooming roasting. That's easy to cut, but my God, is that a wonk? A wonky wonk. Good God. Let's try and straighten this up. There we go. Let's put this on because otherwise I'll stab myself. Right, let's get ourselves back to some sort of normality here. That's upside down, it doesn't matter. Right. So, we have ourselves a journal cover. It's alright. So, let's get these again and figure out what we're doing. So, right. Yeah, the pages are already done on the other side, so I'm literally just gonna fold these ones in half and then see what other papers I want in, and we'll get these signatures done. Right, that's the ephemera. Oh, right, that's the ephemera. So that can go up there, and this should all be pink. Smart. Right, is that it now? Let me have this upside down. Oh, that's 2. Is it? Oh no, it's not. I must have, like, I don't know, seen things now. It looked like it was 2 bits of paper. The heat's making me go crazy. Crazy. Right. This paper is 100 GSM. It's just nice. I think just the right weight. Not too thin, not too thick. That one seems to have the same. There's always one that has the same when you're doing it back to back. Yeah, I did do a load of background pages so as I could just do what I wanted on them without covering up the design. You can probably hear the kids in the park. We've got a children's play park just over from our garden. And obviously the door's open because it's so hot. But it's Friday night and the kids are like, yay! It's time to stay up late and go screaming in the park. I think this is one of Sanny's older kits, but it appealed to me. I've got three journals on the go at the moment. I've got this one. I have started the boho one. I've done some videos for it. I just haven't put them together yet. And I've got a commission one that I'm doing for Catherine. So that, plus the art journals that I've been doing, because I've become obsessed with art journaling. Not actually the journaling, the making of the art journals. I don't journal. My journaling is in getting the paint on the paper. That's how I get my things out. Right, so how many pages we got here? 1, 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That's good. So it's even amounts. Just going to split them. That's background in it. Right, and these are all background ones now. So. I love this one actually. Just like the colour of it. And that one. Right, and let me just reach for the big pages. Got the big pages. And the coffee died. I've got any there. Oh my god, that's an aeroplane. Right, so I've got the coffee died. If I've got any left. Couple. What's that? 1, 2, 3. 3. One that's more coffee than ink. Right, 2 of them. What else we got? Need to do more. I need to do more. That's just bits and bobs there. A couple of these are a bit small. I can't be all. Yeah, it is, because I know I've done a load of coffee dyeing, but I've got it all for the, what do we call it? The commission. I'll put them all in that. Right. Right. Get this out of the way. Where's my elastic band? some book pages, see what we got. Just these ones. Because again, they all need coffee dyeing if I want to use them. Let's get some older things. Spiders. Some music. I say music, I think they're hymns. Well, it's still music, but I think they're hymns. Come out. Couple of them. Don't know if I have any more of that. Look at that, I love this. I've taken all the pages out of it, but I love it. Right, what else we got? What else? Oh! Put that back in. Penguin. Although, it's not got much to do with birds, I suppose, is it? It's got nothing to do with birds. I might not be able to use that. These are all crochet ones, I think. Oh, sliding. Please have one of them. Oh, cute. I'm going to put one of these in. I'll just have to colour it, paint it or something. Let's see if that's enough. And right, let's put these away now. What's this? Book pages. What's it called? There we go. Then I have kept a couple of books down here. It's got what's dictionary? I think it could be French. North York Board of Education. Smellers. I don't know. I don't know. Oh, just English. I just look foreign. Right, I've got them. Two lots of that. So one of them each. I've got two here. That's too big. One each of them and save that in case we need it. Right, yeah, one of them each. I got a smaller. Yep. No, I don't. One each there. That's another spare. Yeah, we'll get 3 of them. Right, so what I'm going to do is half it. Unless somebody have to. Where's that ruler? It might be a bit wide, so I can just turn the pages across. Right, I've got a few spares there. Right, so that's already in half. I love these because they're nice and crinkly, those ones. Right, it's already halved. Let's do it that way. It's already in half. Half again. And before we do anything with them, I will do something with this. Right, so let's put these together somehow. Alright, I've got, what do you want on the front? Possibly. This one. Okay, go on the front. 2. 3. 4, 5. Yeah, this is going to have to either come in or be chopped. 6, 7. Going to do that up there. Not doing that. So that's 8. Got 9. 10, 11. Quite a few. 12. 13. Oh my goodness. 14. 15. 16. 17. Goodness me. Right, I have to move some things around here. There's too many of the one thing in the same place. This can go in the middle. See, now that's the same. There we go. Oh, one of them. One of them. I think those two are going to be the same. Can go in the middle. Where did this come from? It should be in here, shouldn't it? Yeah, I don't remember seeing one of them in here. No, it's not. Oh. Mm-hmm. Can go that. Right, so let's take this off. And we've got no hangers, hanger-ons. Oh! Get off. Oh, I need to shut the door, all the things are flying in there. Right, I've got a long bit here. Oh God, get off! Oh, I hate anything that flies. Is that side? Right, I'm going to sort the other one and then I'll be back after I shut the door and kill the thing that's flying around. Right, so I'm back. Shut the door. Can't find the fly. God knows what it is. It'll probably come back in a minute because the camera's been turned on. Anyway, done this one. That's all sorted. Like this. Similar pages. I don't think they're in the same order. I never checked them or anything. I just know they're cut down to size and they're in the order that I want them at the moment. And that's the middle. And you saw that one. As you can see, the pages have come out at the ends, where once you fold them and start tucking them in, they do come out. But that doesn't bother me at all. And there's plenty of room inside the cover if I want to stick anything on the end. So that's the signatures done. We just have to paint or do whatever we're going to do on the inside, stencil, and then I think I'm going to paint the cover. Yeah, because it's thick enough, so I don't have to add anything to it. So I think I'll literally just paint it. See how we go with that. So that's the first part done. Thanks for popping in. I hope everybody's keeping cool and they're keeping well. And if you don't subscribe already, please hit the subscribe button if you want to see more videos that I release. And thank you to all my subscribers and everybody that watches and everybody that comments and all my customers that buy the journals. I do still have a sale on at the moment in my coffee shop. I have a whopping 30% off all my journals at the moment because I need the space. I won't even show you what I've got next to me because I don't even want to have a look at it. I have got boxes and journals and fabrics and papers and stuff that I've made. Oh, no. I'm not going to show you. But I need the space. So if you'd kindly like to buy all my journals so as I can get on the other ones that I'm doing at the moment in, then I will have some space. Thank you. So anyway, thanks for popping in. Thanks to everybody that comments and likes and shares and does all the things. And I will see you part 2 when we do the cover and work on the signatures. Okay, see you later. Bye.